Hello, Odeodumbi.
Welcome. This is the revision quiz based on lessons 1 to 4, which is meant as a form of revision for those of us who have been participating in the bilingual English Yoruba classes for students of the Yoruba language. If you're just coming across this for the very first time, navigate to the playlist with the link provided in the description to watch lessons 1 to 4 on which this quiz is based, and other lessons. You may write down your responses to the questions and cross-check them with the correct responses to each of the questions, which are indicated after the 10 seconds timer elapses after each question. Have fun! How many letters does the Yoruba alphabet have? Which letter in the Yoruba alphabet does this sound correspond to? Which of the sounds below matches this letter?
ẹ ẹ̀ é ọ́.
How many nasal vowels does the Yoruba language have? How many consonants does the Yoruba language have? Which of the following options is not a nasal vowel in Yoruba? Which of the following letters matches this sound?
wí
Which of these letters bear tone marks? Which of these sounds matches this nasal vowel?
ẹ ọ́ àn ẹn.
Which of these Yoruba vowels is or are identical to some letters in the English alphabet? Which of the following letters is part of the spelling of the word?
Oṣù.
Which of these letters is?
U.
Can you identify the correct spelling of this word?
Ahọ́n.
How many letters does a nasal vowel have? Which of the following combinations is the correct spelling of the word?
Aáyán.
Which of the following sounds matches this sequence of letters in spelling?
Ọ. Jí. Á. Ọwọ́. Ọjà. Ọ̀rẹ́. Ọjọ́.
Which of the following options cannot begin words in Yoruba? Which of the following options is the correct spelling of the word?
Oko.
How many non-nasal vowels does Yoruba language have? What letter is in the middle of the spelling of the word?
Àgbà.
Which of these words has the tones
Dòre.
Which of these sets of tones matches the word?
Ọkọ́.
How would this word look with tone marks if we applied this set of tones to it? Which of these sets of tones matches the tone markings on this word? Which of the following words matches this sound?
Òjò.
Hope you got all the answers correctly and had a lot of fun. Lesson 5 is the next in sequence, in which we shall discuss syllables in Yoruba language. Until the next time, goodbye.
Ó dàbọ̀ o.